Jason was an excellent tour guide. He gave our family an engaging and thoughtful overview of Bonaire history and culture, sprinkled with personal anecdotes. He made it informative for the adults and demonstrated immense patience when our young children grew hot and tired. His hospitality and true love of Bonaire shined through the entire time. Don't worry, walking tour doesn't mean you'll trek or hoof it from place to place. It's only that you'll spend part of the morning and or afternoon with your feet on the ground getting up close to our local history. This usually takes about 2 hours at a leisurely pace. On all walking tours, an expert local guide will describe the walk and we can take our time and blend into the Dushi city around us. Traveling solo? Walk this way. Nearly a third of our guests are solo travelers who want the thrill of exploration minus the what-ifs of going it all alone. You'll enjoy the camaraderie of your full-time guide and like-minded travelers, and to make your solo sojourn practical, we offer the lowest single supplements you're likely to find. Are you feeling more adventurous and you have your own transportation? We can custom tailor a special nature or private tour for you.